Today we are taking a look at a self-cleaning litter box that was sent to us from the Meowant company. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, we've got a quick start guide, our plug-in, and the cat litter deodorizers. This is the mat that they send with it for the cat to step out on. Oh, this is the liners to go inside of it. Pop open our quick start guide and see what's next. Okay, first we're going to remove this side cover, pull this up, and remove the barrel. And then you have to remove this out of there. Then we're going to put this back. Okay, so we're going to replace the barrel, re-lock the little lock shaft there, and then we're going to slide this over it. You got to make sure it doesn't touch any walls. Remove the emptying board. We're going to remove that clear board. You next take this back part off. Okay, you're going to remove this lid, or open it. It doesn't remove, it just opens. We're going to take this, and then your little deodorizer goes right there. Slide it back in here. And then we're going to replace, this is your waste bucket. That goes right there. Close the lid, and then we're going to plug it in. It's going to rotate a whole turn after you plug it in. And this is where you'd put cat litter in it, but we're not doing that.
So it has a phone app?
Yeah.
So you scan the QR code that's right over here on the side, get the app installed. And while she's installing the app, if you'll notice right inside here, it shows you your fill line. That's how far up you'll fill it with cat litter. And it does have basic instructions right here on the top of the operating functions. There's your primary buttons right there on the front.
Okay, now we're going to add the device. So tap here to add device. You have to hold the clean button for 3 seconds to bring the device into pairing.
So you have to enter your Wi-Fi password.
Yeah, and now it's connecting. Okay, it added the device successfully. We're going to click use now. It's going to, I'm going to have to update. Oh, it's updating this.
So it's updating the device, not the app.
Right. Saying that it will reboot. That you have to make sure it's plugged in because it will reboot during the download process.
The blue light on the front of the litter box is blinked, so I guess
it says you're up to date.
Okay, I guess. Now it went to green and it's turning. Not very loud either. Mm-mm. Now we have a solid blue light on the front.
A solid blue light means it's ready and connected. Now, let's see what happens when your cat goes to the bathroom.
Now this is for demonstration purposes only here.
Yes, for demonstration purposes only. Okay, we're going to put the little cat poop in there. And then we're going to hit clean. And see what happens.
So it went down in that bottom part down there.
It went down into the waste bucket. Okay, as you can see, the mess is gone. And let's see where it ended up. In your waste bucket. Now, you would have a bag in that ordinarily, but we don't need it since we're just using fake. And you would empty that and then put it back in there. That's it. It will weigh your cat. You can set up a cleaning schedule. You can set it not to clean on a do not disturb schedule. Status indicator, it'll show you, that's so you can turn the status off, but we don't want to do that. And you can go to cat, and you can even put the cat's name in here or whatever, and it'll track the cat's weight. And this screen will let you know how much the cat went to the bathroom. And there's back to your device screen. When the end of the month comes around and it's time to empty all of the cat litter, what you're going to do is, let me take the tape off. You're going to take this, and it fits right over. So, and that what it does is it keeps it from straining the clean cat litter. You're going to dump all the cat litter. So you just hit clean after you've put that in there. That way all the cat litter that's in there will go into the bucket. After it's done with this cycle, you will then remove this and store it away. And now it's ready for the cat to use it again. And all of your mess ended up right here. And the blue light's back on, it's ready to go.
So what's your final thoughts on it?
Seems to clean really well. It's easy to set up. The app is user-friendly. I think it's a really good cat box. Give it a thumbs up.
And we'll put a link to this down in the description. And also, if you want to check out some more pet products, I'll put a playlist right over here for you to check out. Hey, we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.